All right, good morning to everyone that is here. I am now going to share my screen and we will get started with what we are supposed to do today. All right, so Math 8, as you can see, the new tab is right here for this week. If we go to this tab for this week, you will see the objectives of this week. So today, intro video lesson on area, perimeter, volume, and surface area of cubes. That's what I'm gonna be teaching today. Clearly, it's not ready yet. I don't know why that's there. It's not supposed to be there. All right, and then today you will have a quizzes. I believe there are 15 questions, really simple quizzes on perimeter, area, volume, and surface area. Tuesday, there will be problems to finish from a video that I'm going to make tomorrow, because tomorrow is a highly encouraged class to come to. I will upload that video tomorrow, and then there will be a quizzes there. And then you will upload your work into Floop. And then Wednesday, we'll put it all together. There will be a quizzes on new content. There'll be redemption questions will be activated, and you'll get 2 tries. Use your notes. So everything that will be on the quizzes will be the work from squares and cube root equations, the real number system, identifying what the real numbers are. Then the work that we're doing today, which is area, perimeter, surface area, and volume of squares and cubes. And then the other assignment from Tuesday, which would be an extension from today. All right, so that's the work. All this stuff down here is not supposed to be there. I don't know why it's there. I thought I moved it. Let's see here. Whatever. I'll do that later. I'll clean it up when we get off. All right, so let's go into the notes today. These notes are simple. It's really simple, y'all, because it's really 7th grade review. And the notes that I'm writing on will become the notes that will be uploaded to my website as well. So let me do one last thing. All right, so let's go here. Oh, I need to share this screen with y'all. Y'all should have told me y'all can't even see this. I'll just share my entire screen, whatever. All right, so squares and cubes. So perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape, the sum of the lengths of the sides. So if I want to find the perimeter of this shape right here, let's go and be lava. Lava, lava. But y'all don't know where that's from, even though I'm using lava instead of, it almost sounds like the original word, original phrase or whatever. All right, perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around. So if I want to find the perimeter of a square, I do 4 times the sides. So that's the perimeter. Perimeter of a square would be 4 times the sides. So the perimeter of this particular square will be 4 times 3. So P would be 12. Perimeter will be of the square. We know perimeter means to add up all the sides, but since it's a square and all the sides are the same, we just do 4 times one of the side, because all the sides are the same, and we'll end up with the perimeter. 12 units, because we didn't give it any units. The area of the square, let's get some interaction, because I'm not going to do all this talking, even though there's only 11 of y'all in here. Oh, gosh. Well, 10 of y'all. All right, so chat, what's the area formula for a square? And don't use length times width, because that's the perimeter. I mean, that's rectangle, and I don't want that one. Put in the chat, area formula for a square. Using S for side. Area formula for a square. Area formula for a square. Using S for side. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Y'all can't hear, Lord Jesus. Okay, so if this is a side, everybody, no one said anything, so hopefully y'all can hear me. If this is a side and it just disappeared, this is the side, then it came back, and this is the side, everybody, then side times side is equal to side squared. I don't know why it's disappearing and coming back. So area would be equal to the side squared. That's how I find the area. Can you put a smiley face if you understand that in the chat so I can make sure y'all are actually still with me? Thank you so much. All these wonderful smiley faces. Mikhail, I see your teeth. Ken, what do you not understand? Because you put a sad face. You are Antonius. Number of square units. Oh, accident. Okay, the number of square units enclosed will be the side times the side, which would be side squared. All right. Okay. Yay, lady. Good to see you. All right. Glad you're with me, Antonia. Side times side, which would be side squared. All right. So if I say that the side was 3, so for instance, well, this side is actually 3. 3 squared is going to be 9. Or we could find the area to do 3 times 3, which is just 3 times 3 is 3 squared. Okay. So 3 times 3 is 3 squared. That's how we get 9. So this would be 9 square units. Surface area. This is again is a 7th grade skill. The surface area is the area of each what? It's 3-dimensional. The area of each what? To find the surface area. Okay, Mikhail, I see if you say if this was 3 squared, wouldn't it be 3 cubed? I'm only saying 3. I'm saying 3 times 3. Not 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 3 squared. That's how you find the area. Hopefully that cleared that up, Mikhail. For this question right here, surface area is the area of each face. It says it right here in the problem, y'all. Oh gosh. The sum of the area of each face. And how many faces do a cube have? If y'all remember what a face is, the face will be, I'm gonna color it in, just in case you don't remember what a face is. But the face is the side. Look at this great coloring. Ken, you got nothing on me, Ken. Get on my level. All right, so how many faces does a cube have, y'all? Thank you, 6. A cube has 6 faces. So if the sum of all 6 faces, if the surface area is the sum of all 6 faces, then I'm basically saying the surface area is the sum of the area of each face. So it's going to be 6 times s squared, because s squared represents the area of a cube's face, s squared, and then I have 6 of them, right? 6 of them. 4 going on the side, 1 at the top makes 5, 1 at the bottom makes 6. So the surface area is going to be 6 times the area of the face. Okay, smiley face if it makes sense. And that's not Rona, that's allergies. I see no smiley faces. Y'all a little slow with these smiley faces. Y'all wake up. Y'all making this video longer for the people that need to watch it. All right, great. Smiley faces. Yay. Okay, don't be smiling just to be smiling. Be smiling because you really understand that there are 6 faces and it's the area of each face. All right, volume. We went over volume about a month ago. So volume is going to be side times side times side. The reason why we're not doing length times width times height, because it's a cube and the cube has the same side length. So side times side times side is going to give us s cubed, or side being cubed. So in this case, I didn't find the surface area of this one. So the surface area of this one, the area, it'll be 6 times, what's the side? The side is 3 squared. So 6 times 3 squared, 6 times 3 squares, 3 squared is 9. 6 times 9 would be 54 units squared. And it's squared, everybody, because it's surface area. Area is 2 dimensions. Even though this is a 3-dimensional shape, we're finding the area of each face. Each face is 2 dimensions. Okay? For this one, it's going to be side times side times side, which is going to be the volume is equal to S cubed. All right? So now we're going to practice using these formulas. And so if this is 3, I didn't do the problem. So this side is 3. So the volume will be equal to 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27. 27 units cubed. And it's cubed because it's 3-dimensional. All right, it says find the area of each square. All right, so find the perimeter and area of each square. So the perimeter is going to be, the perimeter formula is 4 times the side. The area formula is the side squared. And because these are squares, we know that all the sides are what, everybody? Please type it in the chat. All the sides are what? The same or equal. All right, good, 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 good. So the perimeter will be 4 times 4, which would be 16 centimeters. Not square, centimeters. All right, just adding up all the sides around. The area will be 4 squared. I should show the work. Yeah. Which will give me 16 centimeters squared. What's the perimeter of the next one, y'all? And use your units. Hello, what's the perimeter of this? Maybe there's a lag on my end. Okay. All right. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. 20 millimeters. Because 4 times 5, the perimeter would be 4 times 5, which is 20. Because there are 4 sides that will be adding up that are made up of 5 millimeters. The area will be the side squared. So the side squared would be 25 millimeters squared. On the next one, for the sake of time, perimeter will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 4 times 2, which would be 8 inches. And then the area will be 2 times 2, or 2 squared, which is 4 inches squared. On the next problem, we are looking to find the surface area. The surface area formula is equal to 6 times the side squared. And why are we multiplying that by 6 again? Why are we multiplying the S squared, which is the area of the face, by 6? Why are we multiplying it by 6? Type that in the chat box. 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 Why are we multiplying by 6? All right, so let's clean up the terminology because there are 6 faces. Addie and Kian said faces. They're not 6 sides. These are the sides, y'all. Sides are like this and this and this and this. All of these are sides. So there are way more than 6 sides, right? So it's not 6 sides. We have 6 faces. So we multiply by 6 because we have 6 faces. All right, so we have 6 times 4 squared. All right, so 4 squared is 16. And now we take 6 times 16, and that gives us 96 centimeters squared. The volume is going to be S cubed. I almost wrote squared. So the side cube, what's 4 cubed? 4 times 4 times 4, that's 64 centimeters cubed. Now, surface area is two-dimensional because it deals with the area of the face. Volume is three-dimensional because you're talking about each dimension here. So length times width times height. But this one right here, if I want to find the side is most important. The side is most important. The side here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the side is 5. So the surface area is going to be 6 times 5 squared. 6 times 5 squared, 25. 5 squared is 25, and 25 times 6 gives us 150. 150, since it didn't give us units, it'll be units squared. The volume is going to be that side cubed. So it's 5 times 5 times 5 is going to give you 125 units cubed. Yes, you can put U for units. Surface area here, the side is what's important. The side is 2. So this is going to be 6 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 6 times 4 is going to give me 24. Notice I'm not saying 6 times 2 and then squaring that because that's not order operations. So 24 units squared. And now the volume is S cubed. So 2 cubed is 8. So 8 units cubed. All right, so that's the gist of what you're going to be doing. Your quizzes covers perimeter area, surface area, and volume of squares and cubes because it's getting us ready for tomorrow. I'm going to pause, or rather stop the actual video.